You just found the 2016 Toyota Tundra. With less than 35,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This vehicle delivers the style, comfort, and efficiency you need to meet the needs of today's lifestyle. Confidence comes standard when you're behind the wheel, prepared for the journey ahead. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, heated mirrors, Bluetooth connection, stability control, rear-wheel drive, split bench seat, traction control, pass-through rear seat, tow hitch. Meet us at the intersection of style and efficiency. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.